Kawama bumong buskango paiga pia. Surprise is surprise. And so, are you ready? One last time. Everybody, Deepa Idol Season 2, me, winner, Unka, Bloom's Mighty Ria. Let's welcome Bloom's Mighty Ria here on the stage. And, Padi, Ozaro, Bono, Prize Yafana Bagay, ang Nunginahanay, Sini TTAAD Sini Habangni CEM, Sir Purnachandra Jamatiano. Nunginahanay Sini Sarna Yang Obuskang Panabagay, Sini winner no prize money with scrutiny Chavi Dialogue, guys, a trophy and the scooty. Come on, please, everybody. Bloom's Mighty Ria, the winner of T-Pro Idol Season 2. Ozoro, Belay ka hambay, sing T-Pro Idol Season 2 ni winner no, sing prize yapari nagraka, boni yagulo no, padingay, sing second. Sing Ozoro. First runners up, no sing Simalene, Taisinilene. First runners up, Inka. Any guesses? First runners up, Manka. Ananta Jamatia, come on, let's give him a round of applause. Bono, prize Yapana Bagayang, Numinahanai, Sini, Barumgunang, Shuhel de Burma, EM, ICA, Sports and Youth Affairs. Sing Joto Yafakola neighbor, come on. Belay ka hambay. Bonka isini first runners up. 1 lakh rupees. Kaisa trophy. Logyo. Boni yagulo 48-inch TV. Botini manglaka piaba saleni yagulo. Abo yafari rizangnai boni thaniwo. And second runners up. Takutai book song. Any guesses? Second runners up. Boni Mungai. Ashmika Deberma. Come on, let's give her a round of applause. Bono prize yafana bagang nunginahanay sinibuskango. Sir Ravindra Deberma, EM Education. Bono nunginahanay buskango. Parising Joto no yapakola ni borni bagay. Bongay second runners up. T-Pro Idol Season 2. Belay ka hambay. And so, Ozoro. Sing taklay kebono kibilia. Tai koroni nonobo. Tai koroni nobo sing renai henino saitok laika TTAADC hapangno belai ka hambai marwo. Kebono khasubailia. Top 5 contestant no. Je chukti je mansak jaroti. Norokbo. Kam no klaika. Hani borno je manmani yafalai nai. Ozoro nungina hanai. 4th position no. Dinesh Jamatia. Come on, let's give him a round of applause. Bono prize yafana bagay. Bono prize yafana bagay. Ang nunginahanay sini borong gnang Bishojit Koloy MLA. bono ang koine yang osako dangso faina bagai tai boni price money no bono yapre na bagai sing joto yap khorlani please joto ni bagino kebo khata thidi kebo joto no sing khasbaya tikai bono chubai rohanani chaitok laika boni yagulo no phadi nuina halainai sini buskango Nafuti Jamatia. Come on. Fifth position. And Bono Tesan High Yafana Boyan Koinahanai Sini TTAAD Sini CEO IAS Sir CK Jamatiano and Koina Yango Danso Buskan Panabagi, Tayo Price Panino Bono Yapari Nabagi. No Joton Nukana Bono Sin Kevano Yak Buksa Klalia Taklani Salo. And Aba Haikino Taklani T-Pro Idol Season 2 Sing Paitago Sing Pailika. And so no Jotono Beleka Hambai Marwo Sing Ankone Yango Sini Sarsuno Sinadong Suno Judges Rono Bankone Yango Dang Sabaskango Panabagai Sini contestant Rono Kone Yango Buskango Panabagai Dactically contestant Rono Yango Buskango Basaka Beleka Hamai